I'm going to walk you through a quick program I made on how to convert nanoseconds into a string that shows seconds, minutes, hours, and days. So to start off with, you create a class. For me, I called it elapsed time. The only import you'll need is java.text.decimal format. You create a main method, just a standard public static void main, string args. And let's start by looking at the the method that converts everything here. I call the method private static string get elapsed time. I put in two final longs, a start and an end. Now this will work, say, if you get the system.nanotime for start, and later you get a system.nanotime that's end. For the purpose of this program, I'll just say start is 0. Now I'm going to start by declaring a string variable and set it to blank. I want to make a decimal format, set it to 2 decimal places. This is for the precision in seconds. Difference, I'm going to say end minus start divided by 1,000,000,000. This basically converts nanoseconds into seconds. Then I'm going to create an integer called min hour day, which is going to be 1 if it's minutes, 2 if it's hours, and 3 if there's days. So here I'm going to say if the difference is larger than 60, then you know there's at least multiple amount of minutes. So you say min hour day plus, which min hour day equals a self plus 1. Then you say the difference equals a self divided by 60. If the difference is still larger than 60, then you know there's hours. So you say min hour day plus. That'll make min hour day equal to 2. Then you say the difference equals a self divided by 60. If the difference is larger than 24, then you know there's at least 24 hours, which means there are days. So you say min hour day plus. And then difference equals a self divided by 24. You can go on and turn it into 4 if difference larger than 7 for weeks, or however you want to do it. But for the purpose of this program, I'm going to show you how to do it up to days. Then you want to create a switch statement for the min hour day. In case 3, that means there's days. So you append to the string, you append the difference plus d. That's the last difference that was created. Difference equals if self divided by 24. This is days. Then you say difference equals a self times 24. You convert it back to hours. Then you lop off the days by modulus itself, 24. Difference equals a self modulus 24. That lops off the days. Then without a break statement, you want to go directly into hours, because if there's days, you know there's going to be hours left over. So string plus equal the difference plus hours. And then you convert hours into minutes, and you lop off the hours by saying difference equals a self times 60, difference equals a self modulus 60. And then case 1 is for minutes. String equals a self plus difference plus m. That shows the amount of minutes. Then you want to convert the minutes into seconds by saying difference equals a self times 60. Then lop off the minutes by difference equals a self modulus 60. Then case 0, the last case, is seconds. String plus equal, and this is the only place to be used in the decimal format, df.format difference plus s. This will show the decimal format for seconds, which is going to be precision of 2 decimal places. Then here, return the string. I said if it's 0 seconds, then it's probably less than 1 second. So I just said if it's 0 seconds, put less than 1 second. Otherwise, just return the string. So in the switch statement, if there's at least days, it'll go through the entire thing. If there's at least hours, it'll go from case 2, 1, and 0. If there's minutes, it'll do case 1 and 0. If there's seconds, it'll do just case 0. That's the way it works when you have no break statements in Java in a switch statement, which can come in handy in cases like that. So back in the main method, I'm going to say elapsed time is a long variable. I'm going to set it to 1 trillion, and you need to put L at the end so they know it's long. And then I'm going to make a string, say get elapsed time, start time 0, end time is elapsed time. Then I'm going to print that out. It's going to print the conversion of 1 trillion nanoseconds. Then I'm going to say elapsed time is 10 trillion, and get the elapsed time and print that out. Then 100 trillion, and then 1 quadrillion. So let's see what the result is. As you can see, 1 trillion is 16 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 trillion is 2 hours, 46 minutes, and 40 seconds. 100 trillion is 1 day, 3 hours, 46 minutes, and 40 seconds. 1 quadrillion is 11 days, 13 hours, 46 minutes, and 40 seconds. That concludes the video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.